Well, hi, my name is Jessica Conde, and now I'm going to talk about washing lines. Washing lines is a strategy that is used to gather information, see causes and effects, seek partners, and consider evidence. As with many DARS, there are directed activities related to text. The main benefit of this strategy is allowing pupils to debate and challenge each other. Pupils work on the washing lines, which they present to the rest of the class. Mini whiteboards are very useful here because pupils or students can write their own features or sort given to them by the teacher. They can rank a number of things, like, for example, the causes of an event, the consequences of an action, or word to describe something or someone, and the list goes on. The main learning comes when pupils are at the front of the class and the other pupils can move them around to sort their ideas. Well, I think this strategy is very important because washing lines help to the pupils to have in a critical thinking. Now I'm gonna show you some pictures to explain what is a washing line. So I'm gonna show you. Well, this is a washing line, as you can see. These are the whiteboards, and pupils can write their own features, and then they can show to the rest of the classes. So this is a washing line.
Hello, I'm going to talk about graphic modeling. So, what is graphic modeling? Well, graphic modeling is create a graph or model based on the information that we already obtained from a test. It's a summary of what the test in general want to say, the message of the test. Why is the start important? Because it makes the way we learn or teach easier. Why? Because information is more structured, is well organized. In a normal test, we see that the information is scattered. So with using the graphic modeling method, we see that the information is more united and it's easier to a student for teacher to explain or to understand the overall message. To finish, I have to say that this method we should focus on the content of the graph of the model and not in the way the student draw this model or that graph, because that's not what is the relevant information.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about graph and distillation. Graphs are tools that help the students visualize in a general way the development of tests and explore their chains. It's an easier way to remember the information for the students than writing tests. Any test that has chain can be represented in a graphic. Distillation is like an activity that consists of drawing a funnel with a filter on the board and then organize the student in pairs. One of them must go to the board and writing words and ideas about the test, but they can write words that are already on the board, and then in class they do a discussion that word should remain and then filter into the glass, and with this they will receive keywords of the topic.